Redeem the code ILROO during registration on Roobet and unlock up to $1,400 in cashback bonus. If you don't have an account on Roobet, go to the website and click register. Fill in all the necessary information, then click code and enter ILROO. If you already have an account, click on redeem on the left, enter the code ILROO and click redeem. That's it, so easy, ILROO promo redeemed.
So welcome to Roobet, where your gaming experience just got even better. As a new player, you'll enjoy 20% cash back on all net losses from eligible slot games. The cashback, up to $1,400, will be credited at the end of your first 7 days following your first deposit. Roobet also has a VIP club. Join the industry's most lucrative VIP club, where unrivaled benefits and exclusive perks create an extraordinary gaming experience.